In this video I will show you how to start the focus session on your Windows 11. Firstly, we want to open the clock app. It should be automatically installed on your Windows. Here on the left you can see many options and we want to click on focus session. You can select how long will be the focus session. If you want to skip breaks, you can add a task here. Also you can connect it with Spotify here. Here is your daily progress. Daily goal is 1 hour. By clicking here on this pencil, you can change the daily goal, for example 30 minutes. I'm gonna start focus session clicking here. It will be active 20 minutes, next will be 5 minutes break and then 10 minutes of focus. If this focus session is active, you will not be distracted by notifications and others. If you adjust here the time of the focus, it will raise the number of the breaks. You can also skip here breaks, start focus session, and it will show all 80 minutes of the focus. Thanks guys for watching, I hope you found it helpful. See you next time.